Welcome to Moments That Matter in our special series focused on the 2024 election and how history is now. Now, this election will be determined by our United States Constitution. And that Constitution happened in 1788 when New Hampshire finally ratified it. And with that Constitution, there was some special language that set it apart, made it rather radical. We the people. Yeah, a government of we the people. Nobody knew what the heck did that mean. Well, in James Madison and Benjamin Franklin's mind, it meant basically white men. But it was sort of expansive for their times. But it never got disturbed much over the many decades thereafter. And amazingly, we the people did not include the majority of the people, i.e. the women of the country, until 1920. It took the 19th Amendment marching that began in 1913 to finally get it through people's minds that we the people should include the majority of the people, we the women. Isn't that on display again in this election of 2024? History is definitely now.